Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna take a look behind the scenes on something I do quite often, and that's writing a love song. Something I do with Saskia, the singer from VRROW. If you want to check us out, our original content, all the links are down in the description below. Also to our profile from the website I'm going to talk about in a minute. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and comment as well, because it really helps the channel growing and get the stuff out to people that might be interested in this sort of videos. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's start. Let me explain what Songfinch actually is. Songfinch is a platform for custom songs, love songs, songs for wedding anniversaries, birthdays, whatsoever. And it works like that. Clients choose a genre or a mood and a tempo, and they get matched to an artist. Like they choose rock and female, and they get matched to us, VRROW, or pop, hip hop, whatever. There's a huge variety of genres on the website. They also can choose an artist straight away. So if they say, well, I like VRROW, they can click on VRROW and book a custom song directly from us. If you choose an artist or got matched to one, you fill out a form with details about your relationship, your significant other, stuff that needs to be mentioned in the song, and so on and so forth. And this is sent to the artist directly. The artist then has 4 days time to produce a song, which needs to include 2 verses and 2 choruses and needs to be 2 minutes 30 long. After you upload the songs to Songfinch and they get approved, you get paid, the customer gets sent the song, and sometimes they ask for changes like different pronunciation, some ideas they want to have included in the song. Or a third verse or an outro or something special, which needs to be paid extra most of the time. So, that's the template. That's the sound I work with all the time. Let's start from the top. We have Easy Drummer as our drum kit with the pop kit a bit modified. I don't know what I actually modified, but kick drum snare, I don't know. Yeah, that just goes into all my processing I do all the time. So watch my mixing template video right here in the corner somewhere. I always forget which side it is. The next thing is the bass, which is by SFX. All the guitar, all the string instruments are by SFX. That's just the MPEG SVT model with a bit compression on the beginning, and that's it. You're gonna see all the guitars, what they're actually playing in a minute, but the guitar one always has the orange cap on it and with a delay on it, and sometimes I switch on the drive, sometimes not. Don't know if I'm gonna switch it on for this song. We will see. The next one is an orange as well, but with a different drive and a bit different settings for the rhythm guitars. And then sometimes I go for a second rhythm guitar with a Marshall Plexi on it. And yeah, a bit more distortion, a bit more overdrive than the others. The last guitar amp is again an orange with the overdrive always on, which happens in the chorus. You're gonna see this in a minute. I don't know which song I pick, what's gonna happen, but and then we have always a synthy on it with just where I'm just playing around with presets. Vocal chain is the same as in my template, but with some compensating for the dynamic mic Saskia is using. Just some multiband compression and a bit of EQ, not much going on. And the rest is completely my template with no changes whatsoever. So that's basically it. Let's just pick a guitar, jump right in, and see what's gonna happen. There will be a love song in an hour for me and maybe some minutes for you. So we need something up-tempo and either uplifting and comical or heartfelt. So let's see. Let's go for 171. Nice intro, and then we have a verse. Yeah, sounds good. Twice, we have a pre-chorus. Now. Could still be both. And I need some more. What do we do? Double the chorus. Let's have an outro. That's good. Awesome. Could we still both? Got it. That sounds awesome. Not quite sure if that's really Lovesongy, but we'll figure it out. Let's put that together and put that together like that, and then copy paste it to here. My Strat. Massively out of tune. And we go straight to rhythm guitars. Don't know the chord progression yet. I have no idea. Okay. I like it, but it's going in a direction I don't quite know where it's going, and I need it to be simple. So we're gonna redo the pre-chorus. Keep it simple, keep it easy. It's a love song. nice little place to cut. That's that, and yeah, let's keep that guitar and play something in the chorus. I don't know what. Oh my god. Nice. Quite like this song. So I'm thinking bass. Ah! Piano. Nothing fancy. Maybe bright. Don't know. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's a bit more country, I guess. Well, what's in my mind as a modern country thingy song, but I quite like it. And I'm happy it's MIDI because now it's quantize that shit because yeah. Should it be something patty in it as well? So one last touch, we have that pad here. Or do we have something here pretending to be strings? Big strings! Yeah, I quite like that. We act more quieter, put the keys, and then we go from there. Nice. Yeah, I think we're done. This sounds more like heartfelt. It's always a bit a hit and miss. Yeah, that's nice. And I'm gonna send that to Saskia. She's gonna sing something on it. And then we make the stuff. And that's the love song. Done in like an hour-ish. So, here we are. This is the session. I just did 2 more guitars and I just imported Saskia's vocals. Already ran them through Wavestune. And the rest now is basically, I will listen to the song and most of the time I will keep it like it is. Soundfinch actually says it doesn't need to be professionally mixed. Normally I keep a song like that as a demo. So give it a quick listen. And I explain basically the vocals. This is the most important thing because Saskia sings it into a handheld mic, into her iPad with GarageBand in her bedroom. That's the situation we're recording vocals in. So I have to do some stuff there and I use a bit of multiband compression and a bit of EQ and that are running to my vocal chain. And well, I'll just give you a quick listen and to the first chorus or something. And there we go.
In a crowded room, fate's design began. 2 lost souls, hearts bitter, jaded and sad. But destiny whispered we were meant to be. Through the storms we faced, you're my sanctuary. Through a decade of love and 10 years of a vow. In the toughest of times we've learned how to plow. Hand in hand we've conquered every strife. In the tapestry of life, you're my love, my life. We were never looking, didn't want another chance. But love had its own plan, an unexpected dance. At VRROW that evening you confessed your love. And from that moment on you're all I'm dreaming of. Oh, after all these years we're still holding tight. In the darkest of nights you're my guiding light. My guiding light. With you by my side we'll conquer any fight. In this love story you're my shining star. So bright.
Ah, I love these songs. I seriously always love these songs. I hope that gave you an insight on how to produce music very effectively and very straightforward and not really detailed, but already there and good enough for stuff like that. There are various other web pages out there doing pretty much the same. We've been in contract with Songfinch, so that's why I use that website. No particular reason. The others might be as good as Songfinch. I don't know. Never checked them out. So, yeah, as I said, all the links in the description down below. And thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.